Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will show you how we can connect the PLC with a real-time simulation. Name is Factory Talk IO. This is the Logo PLC. I just open the PLC and I will write the programming here. I take the network input and the second network input is there. And now I will show the Factory Talk IO settings. This is the Factory Talk IO. Now open a scene. I just select a scene from here, from open and then scene, and I just take a test scene here. Okay, this is a test scene, and I will just configure the PLC. Select the Logo PLC from the list. Okay, now I go to the configure. Once I go to the configure, then I can make the default, or I can select the input, how many input and how many output, and also I need to put the IP address of the PLC. Okay, and that configuration is enough. Now I select the back and I just connect the conveyor to the Q0.1 and the running is in the V0.0 and the sensor I will connect the V0.1. Okay. Now you see the sensor is always on, and as the sensor is the NPN sensor, so it's always on. So I need to do the program in such a way. Once I click the play button, then the bucket will go to the sensor. Once it touch the sensor, then the bucket will stop. Okay. Now we will again check this, that this is the sensor and this is the conveyor. Conveyor is on. Now I do the programming. Okay, so V0.0 and V0.1, I just make it V0.1 and then I make the programming. First, I take the network input and the second network input. Actually, this is the sensor and the first one is the factory talk IO start, and this is the relay coil. I just connect everything. Okay, and once the factory talk IO start, the first one is on, and when the sensor is uh, off, then the V0.1 will stop. So the output will stop. Okay, now we'll make it download. Tools transfer PC to logo. Okay, download complete. Stop and start again. I just make it online test so that I can see what's happening in the PLC. You know, the PLC is connected. The real PLC is connected with my computer. Okay. Now you see, I make it connect. Once I make it connect, you see B0.1 is 1. Okay, now I make the play button. Once play button 1, you see the Q1 is 1, and once it touches the sensor, it will stop. Touch the sensor and stop. This way it will work. Okay, again I'm play the system so you can see the program, how the program is working. Okay, now I will make the online test of Logo PLC in the side by side so you can check all the input and output and addressing how they are working. Okay, this is the first input. Once I make it stop, then you see V0.0 is off, but once I play, it start. Okay, I am showing you again. Now the V0.0 is off. Once I click the play button, it starts, and once it touches the sensor, just stop. Thank you so much.